And then we always they talk, say, yes, he go to always they celebrate this kind of situation. With me, for Inside Studio this morning, now my guy, my guy. This guy said, I just the year saying, don't take for this work, what will they do? Not so much, LMIG. IB.
Brother, if they say I want to, based on distance, I for shake hand.
I
know why. let's maintain social distancing.
Social distancing. How you doing, my brother?
Oh, man, brother. They're all right, don't say.
You don't say.
When we see last for Dubai.
Now Dubai we see last.
Yeah, we see last for
Dubai we see last.
It's all good.
It is all good. We're back to our country.
Yeah.
So as we now, we talk about bringing back the culture and things like that. Make we even start from you now. How you take see this matter? That conversation where I talk, say people they talk say Nigeria they lose culture. You feel say this one not true, or we just they collect other things they join the one way they. How you take see that matter?
You see, Nigeria. Nigerians. The truth I say, small. If I know we just talk small, it be like say we don't, it remains small, we just come out bata equally. You understand? For based on the whole Western invasion. I'm not to say Western invasion, it go well though.
Okay.
It go well, you get. But one of those we don't some kind of things don't enter them. Our youths don't mad. Finish. You understand?
Why you think this thing happen? Why? How? What do you think can change?
Okay, first of all, before I talk about it, we can change. Better let people understand, say, Nigeria, we get culture.
True.
Our culture, that which they define us as a nation. Our culture, it is invaluable. That I say it is very important, but you get, and it is priceless. You know, so we need to understand this thing first. This our culture, so that within they define us as a people. And if we lose that, we don't lose our identity. You get.
True.
You get. So if you watch the way we with all due respect to our Nigerian, I mean our youths now. We don't craze for the matter. So we don't forget say we get value for inside our culture. Don't forget, based on doings, we want to do this one, and the things what they do, you don't follow for the culture where we know. Say, you know, say where would they grow up, they'll say, okay, we get what they call moral instruction. For those of us who go primary school, that all of us go now.
Yes.
You understand? They will teach you, you know, how you think get respect, that the integrity, the honesty, the truthfulness. You know, and the bobo tibo, those things we know they teach them again. You don't lost now. How many children we go see now we get respect? We get respect for who senior them. You know again. All of us now, all of us are the same.
All of us are the same.
All of us are the same. So we don't lose that value system.
Yeah. But people they talk say not be the fault of the youths gone. Now they look at waiting that they get from outside, the kind of quality or the kind of value where that thing they add to them. Now they make the youths just go for the ones where they come from outside. If you look at when they talk about technology now, the way technology take they move. Now from outside they come and they help this society. You know, you talk about influencing now. You go see some kind of people there where they abroad, where they live some kind of life because they celebrate those kind of people, everybody go want be like those people. So you go feel say, where did it did not be totally the fault of the youth if you look at it like that.
You see, my brother, you see the problem that say we Africans, we Nigerians, small kind thing they come out us from waiting we're supposed to they look to us. Okay, no vessel. You know, say for India, so they dress the way they normally they dress, they go work, they do their things.
True.
For China, the same thing.
Same thing.
So why we say small thing? we don't begin run things with everything they see. We are easily influenced, according to Igbo man.
True.
Why? The reason I say we don't understand our value system. Okay, not be out the youth's fault, Sha.
Yeah.
To an extent, more could bring them back to our parents.
Okay, if you say the parents, no, they do enough.
I'm not going to come there first. Now, you see, you know, say, our parents now, not be all of them, Sha. Let's say they compete with their children on who to forehand pass based on morals. Now you go see your mama, they do things you're not supposed to do. Your partner do things you're not supposed to do.
Yeah.
So what you expect? You don't get their bakara. You don't get it more to go to tell your people, say, or younger ones.
Yeah.
Say, no, you need to be responsible. You need to make sure you are. I want to tell them. So we don't lose that. So first of all, we beg the parents need to first of all carry ear for the matter.
Yeah.
They need to carry ear. As the parents they carry ear, then we will begin to educate our young people.
This thing where you talk, so I know some parents will not talk, say, no, it's my fault. I don't tell them, I'm not agree. They talk, they do, not my fault. No, speaking about the culture now, make we even look some of the things where our culture, where it can't be like say we don't neglect. You know, as you stay talking, now we see for outside, people they rush, they do, and they make us they forget the ones that we get. And we talk about festivals now. Cool. A lot of people don't know some kind of festivals where they happen for Nigeria. We know they celebrate, or we know they do enough awareness about our festivals. People go talk, say, this kind of festival, they say, hey, which part of Nigeria they do that one? So this information not even day as it's supposed day. Growing up, when I see masquerade, now they run. Because they feel say, masquerade show, now to flog people. Now it work be that, to cause problem. But now when I come, they grow, I come realize, they come and say, no, the reason why this masquerade, they come out, now so festival, now what thing they do with that? Now, we don't lose that, people they say we don't lose that whole festival attitude. How you think since this thing happen now? What do you say be the way forward?
You see, not to say we know they really, some areas know they do festival. Okay. You know, so people from the east, they do festival, small festival, the way they, you know, people for the west, they do some kind of festival. Even people for the north, they do, you know, festival, just that. I just feel say, when they do something, people, they do it for they don't understand the meaning.
Exactly.
They understand the importance. How they think the importance to we as a people. We'll just say lesson have fun. We'll say lesson have fun. If people know, say, okay, this particular festival, now based on this thing. So that makes us say we need to educate our young people. We need to make them understand, say, they need to be responsible. You know, their level of social interaction need to make sentence. So when we educate them, understand them, say, make them understand, say, you too, see, now will be the major people who go promote our culture. And I will be the major people who go promote the culture. Okay. By the time we don't understand this thing, then you can find out, say, a lot of these things, the way they happen, they come like, say, when they put body for it to sign at festivals, you could still say they reduce wildly. You know, so as you talk about festival, we get different kind of festival now. Now you get the one we go so range.
We go so happen. You know, I want to ask you that one time because as you don't put eye on top of this thing, as you talk and say, now we be the youth. What even make you decide, say, okay, now what thing you want to do be this? What was your drive? Is it because say you see say Nigerians don't they lose that culture of enjoying the festivals where they happen, or what make you even decide say you want run this package? If you tell us about the package and tell us why you want to run it. Okay,
you see, as a media person, you understand, everybody we want build brand could think of where and how. So I can't reason and say, well, as a young person, which one where we need to really put our strength.
Our strength, yes.
You know, I can't think and say, who could do festival where go get meaning? Maybe we go understand. You know, say, you get some kind of place where you go travel, where you want to chop with your hand. They will say you dirty.
They go look you one kind.
They will be this kind of person. What's up with you?
I
will call the shame. Like me, as I dress like this now, can't like this now, because what's that they wear?
The thing they wear, not true.
You get. So what do we want to do now? Say, the reason why I bring up, you know, me and my team, say, okay, we could run things based on this festival, Tombo Fest. Now say, we want to make people understand, say, together we need to promote Africa for Africans. We need to see how we fit, encourage our cultural heritage. Those ones where don't they lie low, we'll see how we fit bring them in terms of our different kind of sounds, music, you get, then stage play, arts, the whole lifestyle thing, comedy. We just decide, okay, make people come together, come drink. And you know, say Tombo Fest is a festival of drinks.
Drinks,
So You know, can't they drink with glass? So no, you know, go try that kind of thing.
You go
use the normal.
Use the calabash.
The calabash.
Hey.
You go use everything. Go just they look at. So why we they drink? We they interact. We they connect. Then we they hear your kind of music. Oh, but this music now, our music. Oh, now we just want maybe we get that sense of belonging. You get so first of all. Tombo Fest, once we have to promote Africa for Africans in terms of our dressing, our food, our drinks, our bobo timbo, you get. So I make me and my team come together, smoke run and this Sunday.
Okay.
You go there.
I go there.
Food, Wazobia,
we go there, make we come see am.
Yeah, this Sunday for Lagos edition. And this Sunday, 10th of October. Okay, Sky Mall parking lot, Shango Tedo. Just have them my day. So yeah, it is for road, 2 p.m. red carpets. We don't begin. Every men they come live band. They can't give you real.
So they play real-rooted music.
Music. You know they can't. They do. You understand? Real-rooted. You come. You go enjoy your different kind of sound, food, drink. Issue they come with matching ground. Abacha all those kind. Everywhere they just suburb. But if you miss time,
I don't think how the day go be.
I don't keep your order.
I dare with you. You
did microwave.
I know they run.
Microwave
But it's good say you decide to come up with an initiative like this, looking at the situation of the country, and it's good that you take time to promote the Nigerian culture and African culture. Now, the final question I will ask you is: would they say people they do these things for here and it make sense? But will they do enough to push them out there to the world and still give them that value, make themselves see them as okay, this thing way that they do for Nigeria. Value day and they go hold them. They're not going to want change them for us. You think say would they try enough?
Well, I just feel a lot of people don't do a lot of things to see our feet, promote our culture as Nigerians and as Africans. Yeah. I just feel say we don't try so far, but make we continue to the push and then to still let people know this is not the reason. Okay. This is not the meaning. See, if people lose meaning,
they go lose the whole idea.
We go lose their every. So people could understand. Say, let me just say one con chop, dance, watch the whole cultural display.
Yes.
But the reason I say we need to make sure say we showcase this thing. They important and we now identity now we be this. You get so when would they do them? If you check now, people don't they like what we do.
They like them now, yes.
Some could still they push out for their body, maybe they enter. And besides, you see this Tombo Fest, not all.
Okay.
At all.
Okay.
And our first for Town Corner, it meant Wazobia Max TV, and I don't really help to push things like this across Nigeria and Africa. So I won't really Town Corner for that one. Because you see this Tombo Fest, not all. December when they come up, 12th of December for Port Harcourt, 26th of December for Wari. Next year, Enugu, Abuja. We even get South Africa dates.
Okay.
We get UK dates.
Okay.
We get US dates. We get Ghana. We get Kenya. We get Dubai. We get Cotonou. So we move. One let them know say, now we be Nigerian people.
Now we be Nigerian.
Now we is this.
No, it's good. When I don't hear them, not to all promote Nigerian culture and African culture. It could say you can't talk about this one for years.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for coming through. No worry, Sunday I did here. And if I hear, we move. All right, guys. When I don't hear the matter, CV, when I go need to just stay with us. Make us see us all the package go unveil. Moving forward now, we get one better conversation with one Nigerian artist. Now, young guy. Sabi, named Hanu J. He sit down with us, talk about a musical journey, and we say we could just package and phone and make us watch. So we can not go anywhere. Enjoy this one. All right, we come back.